SMC is the world's largest manufacturer of pneumatic components.
If you make something or package something, probably uses a pneumatic part.
SMC makes parts that are used by original equipment manufacturers across the globe.
Product and logistics companies, medical organizations, mining, semiconductor industry.
The power manufacturing is in standardized processes. With Zendesk, SMC brought that beyond the factory floor to their customer communication too.
SMC's sales processes and support relied on shared email inboxes, spreadsheets to track requests, and the constant fear of orders and support requirements getting lost.
SMC traditionally has been several autonomous companies globally working to support our customers.
SMC rolled out Zendesk to 9 countries with 14 languages in 4 months to create a global solution for its teams, from internal IT to customer-facing sales, impacting 130,000 end users.
Now we had visibility of across 20 disparate systems now in one system. So we could make better decisions, we could make process decisions we could not even have the visibility to see existed before. Now we can actually optimize those processes.
It makes it seamless for our customers to receive the SMC product wherever they are globally. An end user, they can now send a request and a sales support representative can immediately quote and price and schedule for delivery that product back to our customer.
Using Zendesk, SMC transformed a patchwork of manual tasks into a unified global communication platform.
We're able to give the same message, the same information, and do it faster now than we were ever able to do it before.